You got pool there, heated pool, and the cabins and stuff that we're staying at. And across the street is Roaring Fork, which is the river creek it goes through here. And it's very pretty. Looking down towards the downtown and the mountains in the background. And a truck turning. That's always nice. Yeah. This is the downtown area right by where we came in at yesterday. Michael walking. Looking towards the north where we first came in at. Very cool building there up on the hill. Right there. They got buried wiring here. Smokies. And that building up on the hill. Place has all kinds of knives. Here we are. We're going to look towards. This is looking towards the east. Yeah, very cool. Looking down towards the east. Michael's Sportswear. Yeah, that's it. Yep. Riding the trolley back. Kind of cool. Yeah, look up. Take us to the little cottages we stayed at. The rust on cedar has been a problem with Mom, of course, with the wood. Yeah, we're getting ready to go do stuff today. Ready for a grand excursion downtown again. We couldn't get any parking. I just twisted my ankle a little bit when I head downtown. Short swims. Downtown Zoo in Michael's Head. That place is right behind it. This restaurant where we're going. Where we're going. Aquarium the Smokies. Okay. Place. We are going into the exhibit. Look up here. Nice waterfall they created with a pool. Very nice. A couple manta rays in there. See the manta rays? Went back over here too, and another one with the tail sticking out. That's that pool. Here's what your fair piranhas, that says. Well, the auto looks good. Exactly what Michael looks like in the morning. We got another one up there. And then a third one looking at me. This way is kind of like, what's going on here? This is Caribbean reef fish. Kind of a neat aquarium. Yeah. Kind of rounded at the bottom. The sign says schooling fish. They're on a treadmill there swimming. I see them. Cool.
Can I turn off the flashing?
Regular fish. It looks like coral.
The orange one is oscillating.
And then over there you got this huge diorama. That's Michael's hat. Down here you can see the tunnel that we'll walk through later. Going over that way. See the shark and the tunnel right there. Yeah, I know. You're over here too. I go over there. Well, there's Matthew taking pictures. There he goes. It's huge.
What's that, huge catfish?
Yeah, that's what it looks like. We'll go over by it in a minute. Pretty cool though. The size of that catfish though.
And that could take a leg off. Here.
brain zone. I don't know if that was just recording. I think I turned it off too soon.
No, I'm pretty sure that was weird. I wanted to make
We're getting right in the middle of it.
Coral is an animal. There's animal animals called corals, and the network creates all the formations. But I'm putting some of the coral for you. The orange coral there looks like a bunch of horns or deer horns. That's the board.
There's this moving through. We're going down the chute.
There's a giant grouper.
Nice.
Goliath.
Michael's hand, Matthew's hand.
Look at over there. Right over there. Look. See where the fish bones are? See the mouth opening?
Here comes it. Nice. Good brother. Matthew putting his head up. It goes off in the distance. Yeah, it curves around here quite a bit more than I expected. Really cool. Thousands of them. Not from standing, but
There's shark. We already saw
going
that.
around another corner.
It's actually easier to move around than to stand.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're down.
And it moves you right along. Very bright right there. Other fish moving around. Coral. Sunk your ship at the bottom. You see more of it. We're going to go around here.
Yeah, a shark coming right above you.
Yeah.
Look above you.
In your hand.
Above you.
Great.
Oh yeah. Just way overhead. There he goes.
Look what I told you. You would have seen the nose coming right over you.
You can barely see him. It's really
You
dark.
guys, that shark attack the glass.
Oh, that's a shit.
It wasn't 2000.
There's a stingray.
It says acrylic. Shark attack the glass. I can't see it. Michael's shipwreck. Goes around the whole lagoon. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's just sitting up there, huh?
Oh, this is cool.
Up here? I know, that's where we were over there. This goes in a big circle around the tank. Here's finally the end of the
Yeah. Here's more.
big tube. Yeah, it completely went around this tank. Yep, up there's some more. Very cool. There's Michael's head.
Where he belongs. He's in the fish crate where he belongs.
Yeah,
Living corals, it says.
Fish place anyway.
Right. Jellyfish swimming around. That looks nasty. Some nasty critters. They gotta be about 2 or 3 feet across. Sea dragon there. There it is. It's got lethal weapons, all kinds of animals it kills. Electric eel.
It's going backwards.
What are they called? Cuttlefish?
Cuttlefish.
Big man,
We
right?
got a hammerhead shark in there.
Cute. Touch array base, so it's placing touch stingrays. And this is where we leave, right here at the gift shop. We're outside finally. Bridge over the river here. We're gonna eat over here at Subway.
Oh, this is cool.
We're out at the zoo here.
How's your leg?
He found the store he wanted to go to. Crazy. Ripley's near me, and the 3 monkeys are going through. Like 3 stooges going in. Bye bye. Yeah, it's pretty neat. One of the welcome centers. They're at a trolley stop. Madhouse. They take the yellow route. Here we go. Driving on the thing. Back.
You guys' brains. Hi.
Too late. You about ready to go? We're gonna go over to, what is the place you want to go to?
Magic
Maggie Quest.
Okay, that's where we're going. Magic Quest.
No, it's Maggie Quest.
Maggie Quest.
Maggie is a girl name, and it has 2 G's. So your point is invalid, and you need to pronounce.
Okay,
Your
that's
failed
it.
pronunciation is magic.
I think they like that too. Oh, just married. Ah, and not me, it's them. That's not it. Check lights. The lights are fine. I was wondering why they were honking. Well, I thought it was me. This is Crystal's thing that she wanted to go to called Magic Quest. We're here. It's in Pigeon Forge. Here's our lodge. Yeah, I know you keep the lodge. This is inside Magic Quest, and you look up there and there's people going around. Do you see them? Yeah. Here's the one wall we're sitting by. There's ghosts. Okay, fine. We're over there, but of course they're not coming over here.
No, they gotta do certain things.
Right. Michael, he just stick his tongue out at me. Dork boy. Oh, he's red. Yeah, he's such a cuter. There he is. Is he gonna do the star?
Eventually, I don't know when.
They gotta light the star. Where's the star? There it is. They light the star with the wand. There he goes. You doing the wand? Nope. Just a done. Matthew just lit the star.
Did he?
I think so, yeah. I thought he saw it. I didn't video it though. There he comes. Finally done with it. Hey, you were master, huh? How about you, Crystal?
I don't remember him. No,
Mom's ready to go. That's what she is. Taking the Gatlinburg bypass around Gatlinburg, which is off this way.
Good shots.
Isn't that cool?
Dad, can you change the batteries on this?
Yes. Get a better view of it in a minute. So you can see the city down below.
Yes, he's overdosed her back.
It's a beautiful vista, and yeah, they're knocking at me to get back in the car. I'm just gonna go back this way. That's towards Gatlinburg.
And we have a loop.
Of some kind.
Yes. You sure it could? It might not. It might not be a loop and
Another
just
tunnel.
another tunnel. And another car coming really fast out of it.
Sure. It loops and goes over, I'll bet.
That's what I was thinking it would do. It go like
It loops and goes over
it
the
overlaps the.
Yeah, but you're in the center. You're too much in the center.
Okay, I'm moving over.
Yeah, I did.
We're looping over the tunnel that we
Yep.
just went through. Hey, loops
Up.
and over. I thought it might have been a loop. It showed it as like a bridge. Hey,
Get over.
I'm over. I'm fine. It's hard to believe. There we came. The mountain that we came through. This is looking towards the west.
We are here at a tunnel.
What was that? That was him flashing us.
And that's it. Bright light in the tunnel. Oh wait, that's Matthew.
That's Matthew.
And there's the culprit.
This is at Newfound Gap. This is between the North Carolina and Tennessee border. We're in North Carolina right now. And this is just a gorgeous view looking out to the south in North Carolina. And I'm going to kind of zoom around. And looking towards Tennessee now. This is the Tennessee and North Carolina state line. And looking up, and this is where we came in at. Yeah, it's pretty, really pretty. The big stone monument. And right here is the Appalachian Trail. We climbed up to the top of it, the monument there. Here we are back in Gatlinburg.
Civil War.
There's still a lot of traffic and so on, but
Because they got tons of flags and signs and all kinds of rock.
they're
doing fireworks down there.
Or about to. Looked like they were starting. Here's your mirror maze.
Yay, mirror maze.
Hey, mirror maze.
Yay.
You gotta see coming up here the aquarium, how it's lit up at night. It's really cool.
It figures that there's no fireworks going off when I turn the camera off.
Of course not.
Of course.
Unless that's somebody's personal stash. But
Probably.
It's awful big for a personal.
Yeah.
I can see you doing that though.
So where's the shed aquarium? Is it right over here?
No, it's not a shed aquarium. It's a
Oh,
aquarium of the Rockies.
Aquarium.
It's up ahead here. You can't just turn it off for a second.
Aquarium.
It's actually an aquarium of the Rockies.
Okay, aquarium. See, you talk too much about the shed aquarium, and now I can't stop saying it.
That's the aquarium.
No, he kept comparing it to the one out in Chicago, going, it's like the shed aquarium. It's similar to the shed aquarium.
Go ahead. Ooh, we're in Gatlinburg watching the fireworks show. Ooh,
Tell him to stop walking. I'm not walking the whole damn time.
Okay, I just taped that for you too. The Antarctic bear. There's a bear statues over here too. And we're gonna watch the fireworks, which are coming over this direction. You shoot them over the center of town. Okay, thanks. Yeah, but I can.
Chestnut Way.
Chestnut really strong. Listen now.
Ooh, over the city.
Yeah, I wonder what that is.
No. It is the speed of sound, and the sound gets here a lot slower than the light does.
Yeah.
That's your grand finale, maybe. Another one up. Okay, that'll be good for now. A few more for the road. Ooh, the battery's right there. Pretty rough.
I can just hear the fire lane right now. What electric seizure, man.
I hope I taped that. Come on. Well, that was a great grand finale. I hope I recorded it. That was cool. Real intense. People are leaving. Second man. Thank you.
shoe store.
Here we are back in after the fireworks.
That's that if you want to stop at a shoe store, you go, no.
Sure I would. I don't like it a whole lot, but